Thinking of buying an electric vehicle? You're not alone. More drivers than ever are considering making the switch from gasoline to electric, but many still have questions. The good news is that Toyota has designed the 2026 Toyota BZ to make EV ownership easier than ever. Today, we're taking a closer look at why the Toyota BZ might be the perfect vehicle for first-time EV owners. One of the biggest fears for new EV owners is range anxiety. Toyota tackles this concern head-on with the BZ. Select front-wheel drive models offer an EPA-estimated driving range of up to 314 miles on a full charge. That's enough range for most drivers to go several days between charges. For many owners, charging becomes as simple as plugging in overnight and waking up to a full battery every morning. Another common question is charging speed. The Toyota BZ features DC fast charging capability that can recharge the battery from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes under ideal conditions. That means a quick stop during a road trip can add hundreds of miles of driving range. And here's another major advantage. The Toyota BZ now uses the North American Charging Standard, or NACS. This gives drivers access to thousands of charging stations across the country, including many Tesla supercharger locations. For first-time EV owners, having more charging options means greater confidence wherever the road takes you. If you've never owned an EV before, one thing might surprise you. Electric vehicles are fun. Available all-wheel drive models produce up to 338 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in as little as 4.9 seconds. The response feels smooth, effortless, and immediate. At the same time, the electric powertrain provides an exceptionally quiet and refined driving experience. Performance is great, but most drivers need a vehicle that fits their everyday needs, and that's where the Toyota BZ really shines. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 passengers and offers plenty of room for cargo. The BZ is designed to keep up with your busy schedule. Inside, you'll find a modern cabin featuring a standard 14-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and intuitive controls designed to make every drive more enjoyable. Plus, Toyota's commitment to safety continues with the BZ. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced driver assistance technologies designed to provide added confidence behind the wheel. These features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, and automatic emergency braking. These systems help support drivers during daily commutes, long road trips, and everything in between. One of the most overlooked benefits of EV ownership is reduced maintenance. Because there are less moving parts, there are fewer components that require routine service. Simply put, that means no oil changes. Plus, fewer engine-related maintenance concerns combined with potential fuel savings, the Toyota BZ can help reduce overall ownership cost. For decades, Toyota has carried a reputation for reliability and long-term value, and the Toyota BZ carries that into the EV market. Toyota's extensive experience with hybrid technology has helped shape an EV that's designed to be dependable, efficient, and practical for everyday ownership. For many buyers, that makes the transition from gas to electric driving much easier. If you're shopping for your first electric vehicle, the 2026 Toyota BZ should be at the top of your list. With up to 314 miles of range, fast charging capability, impressive performance, advanced safety features, and Toyota's trusted reputation for reliability, it checks all of the boxes that first-time EV buyers are looking for. The Toyota BZ proves that switching to electric doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it might be easier than you think. If you want to learn more about the 2026 Toyota BZ or schedule a test drive, visit Lou Fu's Toyota today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.